Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this video, we are going to see about tab content style and how we can change the content style. We can customize any part of the widget. We already saw how to display the tab widget, right? It has many parts. One is displaying the tab title, then displaying the tab content, and when you mouse over, you also saw that how the background and foreground color of the tab titles are changing, right? All this style we can customize. It requires understanding the widget and how CSS class can be applied to style it. Let us bring the style for the tab example. So here you can see that this is the style we are using, right? When we place Control and click, it will navigate to the CSS file. Then using Control F, we will search for a specific tab, UI widget content. So UI widget content here stands for, so this is the content, right? When we click, the content is changing, right? This is the content part, and here is the default style for that content. Okay, this is the exact style. If you see, this is the border, background color is white, and the foreground color is black, right? We can, like this, you can study the other CSS elements, and you can see there are many CSS element parts. So just now we saw the content of the specific widget, and we know that the style is running here on this external link, right? Link rel style sheet. Then the style is applied from this CSS. Now we can place our own style, and if you see here, we just opened the style tag. Right, and we are redefining the UI widget content, which we already saw by control clicking this specific link, right? Now if you see, we are changing the border, right, as blue, background as green, and the foreground color we are changing it as red. Then we are defining the width for the content. So this is how we overridden the default UI widget content, right? Now if I run, we can see how the content is changing here, right? The background color is applied and foreground color is changed from black to brown, right? This is brown color. So this is how you can customize any part of the CSS file, so that you can apply your custom style to the tab control. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.